How do Flask database migrations work with SQLAlchemy? Imagine building a house and then needing to make changes over time without tearing down the entire structure. That's what database migrations do for your Flask application. They help you update your database schema smoothly as your project grows. In Flask, a popular lightweight web framework, managing database changes is made simple with the help of an extension called Flask-Migrate. This extension connects to Alembic, a tool designed specifically for database migrations. Think of Alembic as a smart assistant that writes instructions for updating your database. SQLAlchemy is the object relational mapper used in Flask to define how your Python classes relate to database tables. When you create or change models in SQLAlchemy, those changes need to be reflected in your actual database. That's where Flask-Migrate steps in. It links Alembic with your Flask app, making migration commands available through the command line interface. To start, you install Flask-Migrate and set it up in your Flask application. This involves initializing it with your app and database object. Once set up, a folder called Migrations appears in your project. This folder stores all migration scripts and configuration files, keeping track of every change you make. When you add a new feature, like a new table or a new column, you run the command flask-db-migrate, followed by a message describing the change. This command compares your current models with the existing database schema and creates a migration script that details what needs to change. It's like a to-do list for updating your database. You should review this script to make sure it matches your intentions because sometimes automatic generation isn't perfect. After confirming, you run flask-db upgrade to apply the changes. This command executes the migration script, updating your database without deleting any data. It's a safe way to evolve your schema over time. Migration scripts are stored in the migrations folder, and each script has a version number. This allows you to upgrade or downgrade your database schema easily. If you need to go back to a previous version, you can run flask-db downgrade, which reverses the last migration. Using Flask-Migrate with SQLAlchemy makes managing database changes straightforward. It helps you keep your data safe while you add new features or fix issues. This process is especially helpful in team projects or when deploying updates to production. You can add new tables, change existing ones, or remove columns without risking data loss. You can also manage multiple databases if your application uses more than one. And if needed, migration scripts can be customized beyond automatic generation. Remember to include these scripts in your version control system so everyone on your team stays synchronized. In short, Flask database migrations with SQLAlchemy work by generating scripts that describe schema changes, then applying those scripts to update your database safely. This process keeps your database in sync with your code, making development faster and safer.